Hello everyone, welcome to eLogic Techno Solutions online learning platform. Today in this video we are continuing with HTML part 3. So in this video we'll see how we can make a table. So last two videos I was introducing you basics of HTML, how we can make a basic HTML, then I saw how we can make a basic form using HTML. Now we'll see how we can make a simple table by using the HTML. So these are the default things: doc type, then a header, body. Inside the body I'm just making the table. So for the table we need to give the table. So the table is declared. Now we'll go with the, for the table we need the table head. So I'm going with the table head. In table head we can give the table head name as this. Just like in the table there will be we are going to create a table. In that table we need to give the headings for each columns. So for that, in th we are giving the things. We'll just give something like name. For one we'll give the name. We'll create 3 rows th with the name. Then we'll give a class. Then we'll give th same th4 will give division. So this is the first one thing for the heading. This is the table heading. I'm giving the name. So we'll just save this one. We'll go back. We'll see what will happen. See here, 3 rows came: name, class, division. These are 3 columns with the name, table name, class, division. So here we saw name, class, division we given. So here we can close the table head. Now we'll create each row with the values. For that we need to give the tr. Tr is the table row. In the table row we need to give, now each table row we need to give what? We need to give the table data. For table data we'll see td is the table data, tr table row, td is the table data. First I'm giving the name as person1, then next TDS, his class will say it is first class. Will see the division, will say it has something division A. So what will happen? The same thing will give for the 3 also. We'll just copy paste this one. Table row for 3 also will give. This one will make it as a person2. This will make it as something. Fifth will give. Then instead of b I will give b. It's person3 will give, it is he or she is studying in second class. Then we'll give the division as c. Now we'll just save this one and we'll see what will happen there. Here see, in the name it's came person1, 2, 3. In class, first, fifth, second, then division a, b, c it came. So this is the method for just creating a table. Here we saw table heading, how we can create a table heading. Then how we can give the data in each table row by using tr is a table row. Inside this table row we need to give the table data. Then next tr, td we given everything. So this just like look like something not neat, just name, class, division, everything. So we'll just make small css things here. That's not going to deep in the css, just giving a basic css in the here. We'll give, just will give here style css. We are going to make style type is equal to text slash css. We'll just close this one css here. Then we'll give for table first. For the table we are going to give the css. It's just we'll make a border with 1px. Will give with a color of solid black. We'll just see the changes there. Go back. Sorry, small mistake came there. We just solid black table. this we should give in here. We didn't close this we didn't close this one, that's why we'll close this style here. Then we'll put this one at the last. So now we'll save this, we'll go back, we'll see. Yeah, here we'll give this for the style. Here we given this one, then table border black we given. We'll just save this one and we'll go back here, we'll see once text, then here in the solid black there is no space, so we'll give this one, and then we'll just save this one and we'll go back to browser, we'll refresh. See, now it's just like one table came. So in this the table one border came with one px, then that color will be solid black. So now we'll change small changes. We give for the table data td. In td we'll give the same thing, border with border with one px, and we'll give the same solid black. So now we'll just save. So if you are giving the solid black everything in Visual Studio, if you are doing, you can see here, and if you want any other color you can select here. That time they will change, they will only change the RGB color. So I did it say red. We'll just save this one, we'll go back, we'll see now it's look like little bit neat. That's a name, one main table border, then for each data they given the border. This is how we are going to make the table.